G'day, welcome to this course. We'll be building the SimpleTask module in this course using Razor Pages and Entity Framework on top of ABP Framework 4.0. So here I am in the Visual Studio application, and we've got the three folders here. You can see that we've got the modules folder where we've actually built the SimpleTask module. And then in the SRC folder, we've got the ABP Framework's startup template, which is a web application. And we haven't really done anything much in here. And then obviously we've got the integration tests. And you'll notice that we've got another folder here for the module, SimpleTask, where we actually put the integration tests in to test the server side. So let me give you a bit of a demo as to what we're going to be building. And then we will go through and build it together in this course. So I'm just going to press the run button. So here we are at the login page of the web application. And what I've done is I've actually created a user for myself and assigned it the SimpleTask management role with the permissions to create, edit, and delete the tasks. So let me just log in here as myself. And you'll notice that as I log in, I get this menu item up the top called Simple Tasks. And underneath that, I've got the Tasks menu item. So I'm going to navigate to that page. So I've done it a little bit differently here. In the previous tutorials that I've recorded, which have been picked up from the docs.abp.io website, they're always using the data table to build the bookstore application. So I wanted to show the versatility of ABP Framework, so I've built this module a little bit differently to show you how we can use other Bootstrap components and the tag helpers that are built into ABP Framework. And the table that you're seeing in front of you is actually not a table, it's actually a list group. And we have the ability to filter that list group by all tasks, or by only the open tasks, or by the closed tasks or completed tasks. We also have the ability to create the task. So we're just going to say learn how to build this simple task module on top of the ABP 4.x framework. And we'll just copy this and we'll put it in the description as well, and we'll take this off at the end. We'll just say learn how to build this simple task module as the title, and then we'll say that it's open, leave it as the default. And you'll notice that when I actually clicked on the Create Task button, it's actually taken me to another page. The normal tutorials show you how to actually pop up a create modal on top of the data table. But I wanted to demonstrate to you how we can actually navigate from the list page to another page where we got more real estate to show our controls. So let's submit. And as you can see, that's created the learn how to build this simple task module. We've got our description here, and you'll notice that we've got a creation date here as well. And I'm in Australia, but what I've done is I've actually used the volo.abp.timing library. They've got a clock which actually can be UTC or local time. And I've actually set that clock in the configuration to UTC, and I'll be showing you that as we build the application. So let's now edit this task, and what we'll do is we'll say it's completed, and we'll submit. You'll notice that we'll go back to the list page, and you'll see that that task is now being completed. It's a pretty simple module. Let's try and delete this task now. So if we go delete, then it's actually going to warn us, are you sure that you want to delete this task? And if I say cancel, obviously it's not going to delete it. And if we say delete, then yes, it's going to actually delete the task, and you can see the little notify come up here with the task successfully deleted, and it's removed the list item from this list which we just deleted. So that's pretty much it. That's in a nutshell what we're going to be building. If you want to learn how to build this SimpleTask module using Razor Pages and Entity Framework on the ABP Framework 4.x, then you can go to learnabpframework.com and sign up as a member and watch this course and learn how to build a module on top of ABP Framework.